Which is faster? 5 speed battles. Let's go! Who swims faster, Michael Phelps or Emperor Penguin? The greatest swimmer ever, beaten by a penguin. African wild dog or spotted hyena? The scarier laugh isn't the faster animal. Peregrine falcon or golden eagle? No dive needed, the falcon still wins. Coyote or grey wolf? Scarier reputation, slower animal. Springbok or wildebeest? Graceful and still the fastest. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and consider subscribing.